Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So as usual, I'm again here with the index level update for coming week. I will discuss its Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level, and yes, some stock market news also. So stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular weekly index level update and stock in news and their buying level for investment and all about the stock market. So let's start quick and short video for index prediction. First go to the Nifty 50 chart and see what was happening since last week and yes, see, Nifty 50 made a kind of a double bottom, we can say, and lower high. You can see here lower, this lower, and higher lower. So this is from I think some 2-3 weeks. It has made this lower high here, and then from here, as in my last video I have discussed that here from here it has given a breakout. Last video I will give that video in I button, you can check and reconfirm. And here it has broken out, and from here it is not looking back. See, from here it is continuously upside. So this was last time video जो मैंने कई पिछले कुछ हफ्ते में बनाया था. This was happening in Nifty 50. From here breakout happened last week and since then it is going up. और ये breakout जो हुआ था same day it has broken the 20 MA also. You can see this 20 MA line which Nifty 50 broken on this day. Okay, I think this day is the 16th of August. From here it is going up और this was a resistance here जो कि मैंने last time दिया भी था 700-800 around. I will check the exact number. Yes, 693 means 700. 24,700 was the resistance, and even that resistance also broken on this day, which was 21st of August. 21st of August, this resistance also been broken out, and then from here it is from 2 days, Friday, Thursday, it was consolidating in same range, same level. See here, this also, this is Nifty 50 has not worked anything there, it has not performed. So here it was taking rest, consolidating. Now what will happen next week, what we can predict. So यहाँ तक की देखने के बाद we can say कि from here one last resistance जो कि बचता है which is all time high also, which is 25,000 around. I think exact figure I think exact figure is 25,078 something. So I am taking 25,000 because 25,000 is actually psychological support resistance also. 25,000 is psychological resistance and technical resistance also. So around 25,000 again it is going to face a strong resistance because only once it has touched here, which was the 1st of August all time high, which was 25,078, and again now it is going to touch this. So as a volume हम देखें RSI भी निफ्टी का it's good, not Nifty is not showing any negative sign for coming days, for coming weeks, but yes, how much time it will take to reach here. And I think next week में अगर सब कुछ positive रहता है, no bad news, so it may touch here, but breaking this level is actually important for further move. So we'll see this next week what it is actually going. It is breaking here or it is coming back to this support. This support is also very very important, as I always give 2 3 more support. So please keep and mark those support also in your mind, so that not only stick with the one level, one is one support or one resistance. Keep those more support also in your mind. So this is a good support, but after breaking this it will reach here 20 EMA, which is 24,500, which I'm not giving now because this is short term view. I'm giving for the next week only. So I'm taking this 24,700 as a strong support. But yes, ध्यान रखना, be mindful. If it's breaking 24,700, yes, it is going to touch the 24,500 immediately. So this is a very good range for Nifty 50 to trade in next week, which is 24,700 to 25,078. So as if so if I have to give the final range for the Nifty 50 to trade in next week, can be support 24,700, resistance 25,000 around. And yes, this can be the trading range for next week. But yes, please, this level you keep in your mind that 24,500, which is also very important after breaking this level. Okay, now let's just quickly discuss the Nifty Bank. If we go to the Nifty Bank, we can see it is more negative than Nifty 50. Nifty 50 actually positive, but Nifty Bank, it has fallen from this all time high, which is 53,350 60 around. From here it has fallen till here. और ये भी एक डबल बॉटम जैसा इसने एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था, this here, and very good support it has taken it, which was 49,700, and it has respected that 49,700 level. You can check the video. I will give this video in I button. You can check you should check actually those video, how actually accurate that levels was. So here it has made double bottom, here also a double bottom, okay. And from here I will say it is definitely is going to uptrend. Yes, it has taken reversal from the downtrend, made the double bottom reversal pattern. From here even it has broken this 20 EMA also, which was a very strong resistance. And from here it has given a small breakout also, okay. And from here, the last Friday it has taken a resistance here, which was actually 51,160 around. और जो कि ये एक गैप फिलिंग भी हुई है. सेम थिंग हैपेंड इन निफ्टी 50 ऑल्सो, गैप फिलिंग हुआ था, हो चुका है. और फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो निफ्टी बैंक ऑल्सो हैज filled this gap, and now it is taking resistance here, which is 51,150 around. If it's breaking this 51,150 nicely, then it will definitely reach to the 51,800, which is actually very good resistance here. See here, here, and then here. It is very crucial resistance for Nifty Bank. और यहाँ पे आके ये फिर से एक रेजिस्टेंस फेस करने वाला है ओनली आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस 51,150 को. 51,150 if its Nifty Bank is breaking, then it will reach to 51,850. But support, what will be the support? अभी तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट वी कैन सी, जो कि बहुत ही इमीडिएट है जो कि एक्चुअली लास्ट फ्राइडे ही उसने दिया था, विच इज 50,800. 50,800 ये सपोर्ट तो अभी खत्म हो चुका है, बिकॉज इट हैज टेकन रिवर्सल एंड entering in the uptrend. But again, this crucial support, which is 700 बोल सकती हूँ मैं, 50,700 is very crucial support. Mark this level, 50,700. If it's breaking, then it is very negative for the Nifty Bank, then again I think it will go to the old level, which is 49,700, and I'm hoping good for the next week. I don't think it should break it should break this level. So be mindful with this level, okay? And here 51,700, it is breaking even on Monday only. If it breaks 51,800 is a important resistance, crucial resistance. Abhi we are not jumping beyond this level because all time high is still little far from the level Nifty Bank is trading currently. So you should understand what the pattern, what these candle are doing, and these all things you should understand, so that you can also predict these levels, and these you can also understand these charts. So this was a overall short and quick picture of the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank stock market index. I will repeat again the level. Nifty 50 support 24,700 and resistance 25,000 around. And Nifty Bank support 50,700 and resistance 51,800. So if you have any question regarding any stock, any uh, index level, you can comment me in comment box and DM me also on the Instagram and Twitter. ID is in my bio, and like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for the regular weekly index update and stock in news. Yes, I have started the stock which is in news. Because of anything, I will share that stock and their buying and their buying level and their fundamental also. But that stock will be only the good stock, fundamentally strong stock. So for those stock in news and the index level, subscribe the channel, and signing off.